Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 15T Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, which is already open and visible on my screen. Now, once your content is open and visible, simply press the power button and the volume down at the same time. You get this pop-up right here with scroll and send options, and first time around you usually get like a arrow pointing to it and letting you know what these options do, even though they're kind of self-explanatory. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application. If I can, we have photos. I don't want photos. Yeah, there we go. We have gallery. Now, the reason I don't want photos is because it's inferior to this application, I would say. So, in here, you will see your screenshots right here at the very top if they were just captured, but if you're trying to find them later on down the line, you can navigate the second tab right here, which takes you to basically albums. And here you'll find screenshots and screen recording album. It is kind of cut out, and it looks like there is no better way to actually see it. So, as you can see, it says screen. So that's usually what you'd be looking for. Click on it, and in here you have divided between two different categories, screenshots and screen recordings, which makes it super easy to find whatever you're looking for, as screenshots will be separated into its own kind of catalog with nothing else showing up in here. And here's a screenshot that I have captured. Now, one more thing to point out, there are certain applications like this piece of shit right here that won't let you capture screenshots. They have basically like a DRM for your phone without ever asking for your permission and coming pre-installed on the device. So if I try to capture it, as you can see, literally nothing happens. Oh, can take a screenshot of this page. Well, gee, thanks. Have you ever asked me for my permission? Because you absolute piece of shit came with this device, which I paid full price for. So how about you don't decide what I can or cannot do on my phone? And in this case, I highly recommend checking out anything that applications that are basically from revanced. I'm trying to kind of spread it so AI won't really try to do some nefarious things, but it's basically a location where you can find things like Spotify and even YouTube Music and other applications that basically remove this kind of problem. You can capture screenshots, you can record them in there. So, great alternative. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.